Let's go, girl. Jump into the flow, girl. Yes, yo, well, do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do. Let's go. She said this my part.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I did this like just effortless kind of, it's not really curls, they're just, you know, I cut some little layers up here like, and I'm no expert, I just was like whatever, so I'm sorry about that. You could do what I did, but it was no theory, it was no, I didn't know what I was doing. I knew that I wanted it to be short up here so I could be able to do that, you feel me? So if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, this is for Julia's hair, 24-inch wig closure unit, fake scalp I want to say, because it kind of was, but whatever. So if you like this look and you want to see what I did, want to get into it, just keep watching. This 24-inch, it's like a fake scalp wig. It's a closure, but which I'm excited about because I didn't bleach these knots. This is straight out the bag wig again. We're supposed to pop this on and we're gonna style it. The lace is, I wanna say light brown, but this is how the inside looks. It has this like scalp thingy on it, so. There we go, okay. All right, the voiceover bandit back in this thing. So just want to quickly come in here and tell you that, so since it's a fake scalp closure wig, all you do is cut the lace off and literally that's it. You just style it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna glue it down just a tiny bit, and then I come in and cut layers in it. So I'll let you watch that. So now I'm using my Got to Be glue spray to make that hairline go backwards instead of falling in front of my face, because no one's hair does that. So that's a trick that I do to all of my wigs. Spray some Got to Be glue at the roots, push it back. So now for the layering, I don't know how to layer, y'all. I don't. I was just taking stuff and cutting it, just not like bluntly. But I literally was just doing that, like taking pieces of the top of the hair and shaving it down, like moving the razor downward as you go, I guess, whatever. But like, I can't really explain it, but it's really not hard to do, you guys. It's not rocket science. Just like, you know, go down just like that, down the whole thing, and you'll cut some layers into your hair. And then depending on how, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Depending on how deep you want them, I guess. I don't know. Depending on how layered you would like it, I guess. That is how much hair you cut. And I guess I wanted a lot of layers, but I just was like seeing how it looked. Because like I said, I don't know what I'll be doing, y'all. I just be doing it and seeing how it comes out. I'm not a licensed hairstylist, so I literally was just doing stuff. But when you curl with layers, it's easier to hide if you do make any problems, if you do make any mistakes. So don't worry too much, as long as you're not cutting it bluntly. When you curl it, it'll hide all of the things that you did wrong. So yeah. Oh, and this, I was taking my flat iron and just curling it with a flat iron. I changed flat irons here, or you'll see it at some point, and then I went back to that flat iron just because that flat iron has round edges, so it's easier to curl. I don't know why I got this big square flat iron that you're about to see, but it doesn't really matter. Well, it does matter. I would suggest to curl your hair to use, see, that's has square edges. Any flat iron with white edges or white. Oh, why can't I speak? Any flat iron with rounded edges will give you a very nice curl. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the finished look. I kind of cut some layers in it just because I wanted it to be like lazy curls, like, you know, like not really curly, but just I wanted the top to be doing something. I don't know. But this is the finished look of this Julia's hair. It's like a brown. It came like this. I put it on my head. Didn't have to do anything, you guys. Yeah, it just You feel me? I didn't bleach the knots or nothing. Everything that I did to the wig, you saw. So, I like this hair. It's a different look for me. Different color. I love the color. It kind of looks like a burgundy, but it's like a light brown, actually. So I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I mean, the monitor, of course. But, yeah, you guys. This is the look. This is it. This is 24 inches. So, you know,